What you are seeing represented here are green dots. These represent the locations where the cameras took still images in flight. There are 1,322 images in this example shown. The mapping mission was flown to a resolution of 0.03 millimeters to 1.5 millimeters. The green and yellow balloons represent the survey control on the ground, and this is used to help perform the mathematical aerial triangulation. Once that has been completed, it will help to generate a high resolution and high accuracy 3D survey control model that can then be used for topographical mapping. Once we have the aerial triangulation completed, we then ensure this data, as you see with my mouse as I follow along the boundary of the future flood wall, has been interpreted and is now ready for the flood wall implementation in a very accurate manner.